Welcome back to B Hollis Brands. My name is Amy, and today I'm here to show you how to make your own espadrilles. I'm going to show you what you'll need on how to make your espadrilles. So today, what you'll be needing is your pattern, and I got this pattern off naturalhandknits.com, or I went on Etsy and I paid for it, or you can go on their website and pay for it. I think I paid maybe like $4.99, something of that. But you're going to need your pattern, you're going to need your cloth, and you're going to need your linen cloth, and your fabric, canvas type fabric. And you're also going to need a fabric pen. You're going to need your tape measure. You're going to need some fabric scissors. You're going to need some thread, and whatever type color your project is going to be, that's what type thread color you will be using. You're going to need pins, and you're also going to need your espadrille soles. I bought these off of Etsy.com for I think about $14. I think $14 or $15 a pair of the espadrille soles. And of course you're going to need your pattern cut out. This is the vamp, or the top of the shoe, and this is your heel of the pattern. And with the pattern, it's going to have like a key of the sizes, and the little dotted lines you will see on the pattern. It's just representing the lines on the pattern, is representing the size that you will need. From like 36, and the sizes are in EU, Euro sizes. So it's from 36 to size 42, which is 36 to 42. So once you take your pattern and you cut your pattern out to what your pattern is, you're going to cut out 2 of each. 2 outer, and you're going to cut out 2 lining, which I have the 2 and the 2. So you're going to have like 8 pieces all together. 2 vamps, or the upper of the shoe, and 2 heels. So you're going to have so you're going to cut out 2 for each, and then you're going to have your heel. So now I'm going to show you how to pin your fabric onto each other. So on the pattern, you're gonna it's gonna tell you you're gonna allow for a 1-inch seam or allowance around your pattern. And also you have to place your outer fabric. So the outer fabric has an inside and an outside. The outside is the design of your outer fabric. You're going to lay your outer fabric down on your lining with the outside of the shoe down, like so. So you can tell that I have the outer part of that fabric laying down on the lining of the fabric. So then you're going to sew, take your pins, pin your fabric together. And also you're going to take your measuring tape and allow for 6 centimeters. Your fabric tape, measuring tape, has a 6 centimeters and inches. You're going to use the centimeter side and account for 6 centimeters around this side of the fabric. Here is the curved side of the top of the outer fabric, and here is the side. So you're going to put that 6 centimeters on the side, 6 centimeters on the side of your fabric. So I'm just going to measure 6 centimeters. First I'm going to allow for that 1-inch seam, and then I'm going to take it in that 1 inch or 2 or so, and I'm going to place my pins at the 1 inch mark and the 1 centimeter mark and the 6 centimeters mark. So you're allowing for when you flip the fabric inside out, you have that opening so you can flip it easier. So I'm gonna pin my fabric like so to allow for that to be flipped inside out once you start sewing it. And also you're going to put an X on your lining fabric to just remind you that that's the outside of the fabric. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but I put an X right here, and just on the back side of that X I put another X. So you can tell which side is the outer side of the shoe. So I'm going to just keep pinning it around, guys, and I'm going to come back and show you once I get through stitching the fabric together around. And just remember, allow for that 1 inch seam all the way around each pattern of your fabric. So I'm going to keep, when I flip the fabric inside out, to show you the finished stitching of the fabric. Alright guys, stay tuned.